So today we're making some content for the Dodge Challenger. I'm so excited. Right now we're on our way, but there's a catch. My body shop guy, I'll let you know why I'm feeling this type of way, but I'm still excited, but I'm gonna let you know why I'm feeling a little on edge. This truck right here has gone through hell and back. No lie. They're almost done with it. They painted the entire interior. This shit is looking crazy, man. They did everything. They did the door jambs, they did the roof, they did. Look at this paint. Not too bad, man. It's not bad. Sheesh. But yeah, so this is where we're gonna be, you know, working on our quarter panel. It's gonna be a little light work. Actually, it's gonna be some heavy work. We're getting some supplies that we need for the quarter panel because he doesn't have that specifically at his shop. So this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be removing all the spot welds on this quarter panel, and we're going to be detaching it so we can make his job easier. And also, oh my God, he better give me a discount too for doing all this bullshit. But other than that, that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm freaking excited too because this will be my first time ever doing this type of work, and we're going to be seeing how it goes. All right, so this is what we're doing. So this right here makes the outer ring on these spot welds like this, so it can be much easier to actually detach this part from the bottom piece. But here's the catch: you do not want to overheat this, so dump it in oil as soon as you're done, and then go back to it. There we go. So that's one right there. Then dump it in oil once again. So I won't overheat this damn thing too much because it's a disposable, but we only bought one, so you know we're trying to save money over here. Just saying. So now what we got to do is get this and get the hammer and just start chopping it all down. I'm gonna see if I can put the damn GoPro in my mouth and see if I can actually record this. Nah, I can't do it. So alright, I'll let y'all know later. Alright, so the only thing that's left is gonna go through here, and then this whole seam right here and down there, and that's about it. So we still gotta go and do spot welds all through here, and then get that out the way, and then more right here, and then more over here, and that should be it. But then we got to take the glass off. The glass is going to be slightly tricky though, that's for sure. But once we get that out the way, we'll be good. It'll be easy sailing after that. We gotta go at it again. And it's just routine. That's all we gotta do. Calling it a day. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like, help us in the algorithm. And on top of that, I'll see you for the next video. I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish it. Actually, I know I'm going to finish it the next video.